Certain conditions, such as climate, settings, and usage, may require you to drain the water tank. If you live in an area where the weather is very humid for extended periods, excess water may build up in the water collection tank too quickly to be recycled. In very humid weather, the tank may need a continuous drain setup. First, turn off the unit and unplug it from the wall outlet. Remove the vent hose assembly from the unit. The drain port is located on the back of the unit at the bottom. Turn the drain cap counterclockwise and remove it. Next, pull out the drain plug carefully. A drain hose does not come equipped with your unit. You can purchase one at your local home improvement store. With the drain plug and cap removed, insert a zip tie around the drain hose. Insert a 5/8 inch inner diameter drain hose into the drain canal. Tighten the zip tie and cut the excess off with scissors. Insert the other end of the drain hose into a floor drain. Gravity will naturally move the water from the water tank to the floor drain. If the drain hose is not fully inserted over the canal and properly sealed, water will leak from the unit. Reattach the vent hose assembly to the unit until it snaps into place. Extend and shape it into an inverted U near the vent panel as shown to help prevent any rainwater from entering and collecting in the unit. Plug the unit back into a dedicated wall outlet. You are now ready to use your LG portable air conditioner.